Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show how to make a professional logo design in Illustrator, so please subscribe my channel. Get First, I open my Illustrator, or I take my size, and you take your size. Then open my drawing file. And I choose a 2 color. Now, I select a circle. Again select. Now, I'll use a shape builder tool. Then I copy for the opposite side. Again select a circle. Now I select a trigon. Now I select a ninja shape. Select a shape. Again it copy. And select a circle. Other side remove. It copy. Now I select a rectangle shape. Some radius. It. Again, a select. It's many copy. Now it's some radius. Select a circle. And it copy for opposite side. And extra side for remove. Now, I select a circle. Select a rectangle and remove it. And it copy. Select a circle. Copy, opposite side. And other side for remove. Now it's stroke. Select a circle shape. Other side for remove. And ninja shape copy. Again select a circle. Now, make some rotate path. It's convert some large. It's remove. Okay, it is perfect. Now I take for it. It's okay. Now ninja shape for many copy. Then color selection. And I take a long path. Okay, this video is end and please subscribe my channel. Assalamu alaikum.